Compact and lightweight, the GoGo Elite Traveler 4-wheel travel scooter by Pride Mobility is exceptionally stable and lets you drive easily in smaller spaces. Every day is a new adventure with this exceptionally stable and maneuverable travel scooter. With easy disassembly and a convenient storage basket, the GoGo Elite Traveler keeps up with your active life. Offering a 300-pound weight capacity, a driving range of up to 8.2 miles per charge with the standard 12 amp hour battery pack, or up to 12 miles with the optional upgradable 18 amp hour battery pack. Featuring feather touch disassembly that easily disassembles into 5 lightweight pieces for transport and storage. For the quickest way to travel, choose the GoGo Elite Traveler by Pride Mobility. Order today from Auto Mobility Store and receive a free accessory package and free shipping. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Tell us, where would you take your GoGo Elite Traveler?